Elevoplasty is a procedure which treats palatal snoring. Palatal snoring involves the soft tissue at the top and back of your mouth. When this tissue is relaxed, it rests against the back of your throat and obstructs your airway, resulting in audible snoring and decreased sleep quality. Elevoplasty is performed in a doctor's office. During the procedure, 3 small resorbable sutures are placed into the soft palate. The sutures are gently pulled, which lifts and stiffens the soft tissue at the top and back of the mouth to help improve airflow and reduce snoring. The sutures are completely resorbed within 6 months post-procedure. Among patients who have had the Elevoplasty procedure, 3 out of 4 saw a reduction in snoring at least 30 days post-procedure. They also reported increased sleep quality and decreased daytime sleepiness. Reach out to your doctor to schedule an Elevoplasty consultation today.